Edward niya muna.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi po, good evening. I'm Albert po from Chickens. To you direct, bakit po pala nagbago yung title from Spolarium to Alone Together?
Yung Spolarium, it was a working title. Parang feeling ko during the course of the movie, parang hindi na apt yung Spolarium to convey the story of these two people. So, parang yung Spolarium kasi parang meron ako, parang pag narinig ko yung Spolarium, parang meron ang bigat ng social responsibility na ang isang pelikula ay ipapangalanan mo Spolarium. So, we reached title na tungkol sa story ni Christina Treff, which is Alone Together.
When you wrote this story, nasa goal na rin po ba ninyo na dapat ako rin yung mag-direct for this movie?
Pag nagsusulat ako, usually iniisip ko ako yung magde-direct. So, pero may nasulat din naman ako na hindi ako yung nag-direct. Pero every time I write, parang iniisip ko ako yung magde-direct para yung complete experience yung pagsusulat ko.
To listen, what are the things na you love doing together? And what are the things na you would rather do it alone and not with Enrique or not with Liza?
I'd rather shop alone. Sorry pero si Ken, siya po yung babae sa relationship na to. Like, pag nag-shop kami, ako 15 minutes done. Hindi ako nag-fit. Wala, andun lang ako. Tapos,
Parang alam niya na kagad kung ano gusto niya.
tapos, sa labas ako mag-aantay, nakaganon lang. Siya hindi ako OA po. 1 hour and 30 minutes. May one time, naka 2 hours siya. Nakakainis siya kasama mag-shopping. Kasi pag nag-fit siya, ayaw kong pasalitain. pag nag-fit siya, tatanungin niya sa akin, maayos ba to? Tapos sasabihin ko, oo, yeah, maayos, maganda. Tapos parang hindi parang Tapos siguro mga 15 minutes niya titignan yung isang outfit ng si Mir. Lalakad-lakad pa siya, ganyan. Tapos, di ba sinabi kong maganda, hindi niya kukunin. Lalo na pag kumari ganda ako sa isang outfit, hindi niya kukunin talaga. Pero pag sinabi kong hindi maganda, yun yung kukunin niya. Tapos, minsan reverse psychology, baliktad pa rin. Nakakainis. Okay, explain! Ken, bakit?
Hindi, kasi naman ako, syempre kung bibili ako, gusto ko sigurado na kasya sa akin.
Tapos di mo naman sinusuot, dami kong binibili, hindi mo
sinusuot ko. Kasi naman ikaw minsan binibili mo, kasi kakamadali mo, hindi kasya. So,
at least nabibigay ko sa mga kasama ko sa bahay.
So yun, totoo. Ako sure buyer lang ako, sure buyer.
Grabe 2 hours.
Hindi naman ako yan.
Hindi ako OA. Kahit sinong tanong mo, kahit nanay mo, kapatid mo, pamilya mo.
How about you, Ken? Yung something you do alone and not with Liza?
Shopping. Kasi kontrabida to sa shopping. Kahit gusto ko na, bagay sa akin to. Ken, hindi. Swampy. Na-hurt naman ako kasi gandang-ganda ako eh. So,
kasi taste mo minsan exotic Hindi ko alam kung nagjo-joke siya na gandang-ganda siya. As in direct, gusto niya yung mga makulay na, bagay naman sa balat niya, pero gusto niya mag-explore minsan, parang hindi siya. Yun.
Adventures. Yun, ano ba?
Gusto mo together.
Yeah, together.
Movies. I love watching movies with her.
Really?
Hindi naman. Wala naman kasama ko na yung mga movie.
Hindi, I mean, pero nag-e-enjoy ka ba kasama?
Oo naman. Siyempre. Movies. Eating together.
Yan yung sagot ko Isa lang kasi.
Eating together. Doing alone. Ano ba?
I answered alone. Shopping.
Yeah.
Isa lang.
Isa naman. Okay.
What I like doing together, siguro eating. Kasi ang sarap niya kumain. Like, yung magluluto for Ken, as in sobrang ma-appreciate. Sobrang na-appreciate ni Ken pag nagluluto ang isang tao. Feeling ko yung kung sino man yung nagluto, sobrang kinikilig. Pag sinasabi niya, sobrang sarap. Kahit di naman po. Kasi di ba pinagluluto ko siya. So minsan,
Oy, masarap naman yung kangkong. Sarap
hindi ako
nun.
nagluto ng kangkong.
Hindi, ikaw pa masarap yun. Masarap.
Meron kami kangkong sa bahay nung isang araw. Sabi ko, walang sustansya yan. Tapos kinakain niya, ang sarap na sarap siya, walang lasa.
Oh, meron naman, may oyster sauce.
Ang last na lang, to Liz and yung last film nyo kasi together was a huge success. And parang it will be followed by this movie. When you accepted this film, was it a major consideration for you? Kung sino yung magiging director in terms of track record for box office success, in terms of how the story is being told. Kasi yung susundan nyo is a major hit.
Ako po, parang I don't really think
I
about...
think we really base it out of the story talaga. It's the movie that we're gonna present to the people. Basta, that's why we believed in the script in the first place because we felt it was beautiful din. And at alam kong maraming makaka-relate talaga. That's why we picked it. So in the end of the day, I really think, of course, the director also, but I think it's really the movie itself. And of course, direct na nagsulat at siya nag-direct. So, yeah.
Ako, I don't think, parang when I do a movie, parang I ask for a good director kasi I want to try, marami pa akong hindi nakakatrabaho din na director. So, gusto ko din naman matry to like experience working with other directors so that at the same time I can also grow, pick up some techniques from them as well. But like, katulad nun, when they told us it was direct to net, parang I was especially excited because I know na
Alam ko, naalala ko pa,
sabi ko kay Ken, "Uy, si Director Net, magaling yan."
Sa Australia, so we were in Australia for ASAP. At dun sinabi sa amin na, there's another pitching by Director Net. Oh, sige, perfect.
But I said, hello?
Yeah.
I said pa nga, siya lang yata nagsulat ng story, hindi yata siya director. But then we found out that she was the director, so we were excited kasi I also watched On the Wings of Love before. I liked the story also. So.
Thank you, congrats.
Thank you, Albert from Chickeness. Okay, man?
Hi, Manny from Inside Showbiz. Can you, for Liza and Enrique, can you tell us about
Ano yung tingin niyo sa Black Sheep noon? What made you say yes to Black Sheep? Kahit na bago pa lang siyang film or ng star.
I just thought that, they would make, yung narinig ko lang parang, uy, Black Sheep, medyo, wasakan nga, sinasabi ng lahat. Well, when I originally read the script, more than Black Sheep, parang, it's different. I mean, it's different. It's really, it's Black Sheep. So, lalo na dun sa ending, parang, iba nga yung ending. So, I think that's what also made us say yes. But we also wanted to try something, lalo yung ending natin di ba, aabangan. Pero, parang I just felt like we wanted to do something different. And, it's been 2 years we didn't do a film, so at least, after 2 years we want something fresh. And that's why we also wanted Black Sheep.
Very
ba yung
different
Never Not
na.
Love?
Hindi ba na? Different.
Yeah, it's different.
No, hindi formula kapag Black
Different,
Sheep.
yeah, it's
Okay.
different.
Direct and Liza.
Parang ngayon lang may Miss
Ang tingin ko po sa Black Sheep before.
Hindi pa lagi dati dyan.
At first, I didn't know like what Black Sheep was talaga because I was only introduced to it 2018 lang din. Like, that's when I found out about it. So, I kind of didn't know much about it, but I knew based on like what people were telling me that it's very different from the way the process of how they make films, and also I think the promotional methods nila is also different. So that's what also made me excited because I kind of want to try something new also that way. Parang like I said before, I can pick up techniques. Like you use that experience to learn new things.
Ibang-iba nga yung promotional materials. Like sa Instagram niyo, di ba nag-post kayo as your character?
Yeah, it's super fun. Actually, a lot of people liked it. Yeah.
Nung una pa hindi namin gets, talaga bang sila to? Ano to? Ano nangyari? Tapos, sa film pala. So, na-involve lahat. Direct to net.
I worked with Chris Gasman before sa Love You to the Stars and Back. Pero parang I felt that it was parang a prelude to a Black Sheep film that I was gonna do. Kasi yung naging process namin ni Chris and his creative team and even the promo then was really different from yung usual na nakasanayan ko. And so when nagawa na, we would talk about Black Sheep even before siya naging Black Sheep, even before naging ganyan yung logo. Pangit pa na logo ng Black Sheep dati. Tsaka te.
Describe, ano po ba yung logo ng Black
Tsaka,
Sheep?
parang hindi ganyan. Parang,
Wag.
parang walang manonood. So, even before na naging Black Sheep si Black Sheep, napag-uusapan na namin ni Chris yung dreams niya for Black Sheep. We were in the same college. We were both from UP Film. So parang aside from sa akin naman hindi na matter kung ano siya, kung Black Sheep siya or Star Cinema siya or Cinema Originals or lahat naman siya film lang. Pero this is something parang more special kasi parang it's a fruition of what Chris dreamed of. We dreamed of when we were in college. So parang ayun, it's really more than just a movie for us. Kasi aside from it being about UP, about our youth or college years, it was also about our dream of somehow making something like a mark in the industry that we're in with yung baby ni Chris and his team na Black Sheep.
You're actually changing a lot of the film's landscape because of Black Sheep. Tulad nung pinagdadaanan nga ng characters nila.
Can I just share something?
Go ahead, Sir Chris Gasman in the house! Woo!
I also just wanna say, Tonet has always been, silang dalawa nila, favorite collaborators ko talaga sila. So, marami na kami naging projects before sa Star. And sila yung isa sa mga una kong kinausap when I learned that I'm going to start Black Sheep. So, sobrang naging instrumental sila talaga sa pagtayo ng Black Sheep. So, sobrang happy ako for Tonet kasi we have Black Sheep now and they have Project 8 Corner San Joaquin. So we're just saying this is just going to be a start of a beautiful partnership.
Wow!
Marami pa kaming gagawin together kasi nga, dream talaga namin ni Tonet to give something new and to revolutionize. Charot!
Ikaw lang yun!
Cinema. So yun po.
Thank you, Sir Chris. Okay, now for our last question from Miss Anna.
Oh, hello po.
Please, Ken, sa span ng relasyon yung dalawa, meron na ba ever na parang nyo sa isa't isa na alone together?
I don't think so. I think that would be sad. Like a horrible feeling. Like you're together with someone but you feel alone. So like what's the point of being together if you feel lonely anyway? No, I've never felt that with Ken. He's always had my back. Naman.
Ako naman, minsan pag nag-away, I just feel so bad. Yun lang, but I know she's there. Yun lang. But yeah,
Oo nga, pag nag-aaway kami, sasabihin ko, no, stop talking to me, tapos bababaan ko siya ng phone. Pero ako rin yung tatawag sa kanya.
yun. Mga ganun lang.
And that's it, Miss Anna. Okay, thank you po. Thank you for all your questions, guys. And once again, Alone Together is showing on February 13. Be the Valentine's date of Enrique and of course Derek Antoinette Hadaone as well. Pwede po ba sumayin tayo and